2009. It could be 2008, 2010. Any of this vehicle. This is Mercedes Benz GL450 4matic with a V8 engine, 8 cylinders. This is going to be battery replacement. I'm jumping in here with a battery so I can have at least a little bit of power. It's here, the negative and positive right there. I'm gonna see if I can move the seat. See if I have power. I hope I have power. Right there. Hopefully I can move the seat. Go like that. And okay, I'm just gonna. This is a cover here. You take out this cover. Okay, these steps here are supposed to go inside this here. But first. Someone left it like that before. Careful not to break it. Right there. And that's the battery right there. Now this is accessible from here, but do not take it out from here. You got to take it from the back, because if you take it out right now, you won't be able to move the seat back and forward. Okay, I'm gonna see. But I'm. Okay, now that's why I took off those bolts, just in case. Now I'm gonna take advantage of leaving it all the way. Up as far as it can go. Alright, here we go. I have the bolts here too. Oops. Here. I'm gonna leave him here for now. And this is the cover here. They just put it right there. That's the battery right there. And you have to remove this thing. This for the air. This is the ventilation hose here. This one. Right there. So now I'm gonna see if. See, I have all the space because the seat is up. See, this is where the 14mm Torx bolt goes. I'm gonna go ahead and I don't want this thing to fall down, because put it here. Then I'm gonna go for the other one here. I'm just gonna lose it. Now, I might need my two hands to pry it, because here is still kind of. Oh, I got it with my hand. Got it out with my hand. Okay. Now, two 13mm bolts. Oh, it has only one. It has only that one. So this one, someone took it before too. Seemed like someone was here before. Let's see. I have a small magnet here, but personally, I think this is very small magnet. Okay, this one here. Hope the camera can get it. Right there. Okay, I think I got it out. Okay, now the new one here. Oops, I was gonna drop the bottom. And before placing the ventilation hose here, just make sure you put this bracket and you bolt it. I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now before installing this hose here. Okay, you're gonna go ahead and tie this here. Kind of here. And I'm gonna see carefully, hope it doesn't fall off, because I have not put tape or anything. I'm gonna get it like this. Probably the camera is not looking at that because It's so dark, but I already got it in. This is how it goes. Right there. I'm gonna get my cell phone and put this here, and that's basically it. And now put this here. Right there. Now I'm gonna get this piece of wood off. I'm gonna bring that seat down again. Right there. The hole is matching here. Alright, that's the hole right there. It's matching here perfectly. Beautiful. Now I'm just gonna lift this up here and put this cover. Thanks for watching.